أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث. صدق الله العظيم. Translation. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful and the specially merciful. By the morning brightness and by the night when it covers with darkness. Your Lord has not taken leave of you, O Muhammad, nor has he detested you, and the hereafter is better for you than the first life. And your Lord is going to give you, and you will be satisfied. Did he not find you an orphan and give you refuge, and found you lost and guided you, and he found you poor and made you self-sufficient? So as you the orphan, do not oppress him, and as for the petitioner, do not repel him, but as for the favor of your Lord, report it. Sadaqallahu alazim.